Hello, Sarah from the Bureau with an update on the wet weather developing for central and eastern parts of the country, with a wet weekend in particular for eastern parts of New South Wales on the cards. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's take a look at the radar data. So this is from this morning through until now, and we can see these hit and miss showers extending all the way along the east coast from the south coast of New South Wales all the way up into Queensland. Now, in the last 24 hours, the heaviest rainfall totals were around 50 millimetres at Coffs Harbour and also about the New South Wales-Queensland coastal border. Now, these showers and cloudy conditions could bring a further daily rainfalls of 15 to 30 millimetres each day this week as we move towards the weekend. But it's the weekend where things will really start to ramp up. But before I talk about that, let's shift the focus into central parts of the country where we've got this cloud that's really just showing us that there's moisture in the atmosphere, and we have an approaching upper level trough that's moving into the area to bring isolated showers and storms developing about southwest Queensland this afternoon, pushing into the Northern Territory and also South Australia as well. But it's tomorrow, on Thursday, that these showers will really start to consolidate into a rain band with widespread rain and embedded thunderstorms, and the potential for heavy rainfall totals about the northeast pastoral district of South Australia. Now, on Friday, the focus of the heavier rainfall will shift into the interior of New South Wales. However, widespread rain will also move into southern parts of Queensland as well. Now, there's already moderate flooding occurring about the Warrego River of New South Wales. So any further rainfall over those swollen catchments will respond really quickly. So residents within that region should stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings. Now, on Friday afternoon as well, the coastal showers about New South Wales will start to increase and tend towards rain. And it's on Saturday, however, that upper level trough will continue tracking eastwards and combine with the coastal trough with a ramping up of the showers and rain along the New South Wales coast. Now, catchments along the coast there are already really wet from recent rain, so this increases the chance of flooding. But at this stage, it's too difficult to say the exact location or the severity of the flooding, but we're keeping a really close eye on it. And residents across eastern parts of New South Wales should stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings, and also flood watches may be issued as we move closer towards the weekend. Now, on Sunday, those showers, rain and storms will continue about coastal parts but start to contract eastwards. So it does look it's going to be like a really wet weekend, particularly for eastern parts of New South Wales and possibly even southeastern parts of Queensland as well. So how much rainfall are we talking? Well, this is the accumulated rainfall total from now through until Sunday evening. And we can see that the heaviest rainfall totals, these purple areas here, are about the southern half of the New South Wales coast. And there's also a few spots further inland, but there's the potential about the coast between 100 to 150 millimetres to be accumulated between now and Sunday. And we can't rule out even isolated totals in excess of 200 millimetres. So if you or anyone you know lives within these areas, it's important that they stay up to date with the Bureau's forecasts and warnings via the Bureau website, app and social media, because this is an evolving weather situation, and as always, listen to advice from your local emergency services. Bye for now.